Today I'm going to be showing you how to use AirPods on an iPad Pro. So this is my new iPad Pro 11-inch with the M1 chip. Have the Apple Pencil connected, and these are the AirPods Pro. And I'm going to show you how to use these two together. It's really simple. Show you a couple other tricks. So first up, you're just going to bring the AirPods close and open them up. Right away, they should appear on screen. And then we're just going to place them in our ears. You can see the battery as you're doing that, and that's it. It's connected. So it's now connected through Bluetooth. On the iPad, if you scroll over, if you're using, the widgets, you can see the battery of each of the pieces of the AirPods, the case. So if you scroll down to the control panel, and you can see on the sound what you can control, it's got the AirPods there, and if you hold it, you can control whether whether the noise control is on, off, or whether you have noise cancellation. Of course, you can control that as well by holding down on the AirPod when it's in your ear. So I'm going to hold down with the other one. Changes the setting. Now I have both ears in. Transparency mode's on. Hold it down. Goes right to noise cancellation, and hold it down again. Goes back. And you can also turn on spatial audio, on or off. So that's just, I think, a neat feature for when it's useful. So might as well keep that on. And that's really all you need to know. When you're done, you put them back in. And they just kind of connect and disconnect seamlessly. If they're not around and you're listening to something, I'm just gonna play this for a sec, just for demo purposes. And now it's playing right in my ear, just like that. And let's say you're connected to a different device, like right now, they're on my Mac. Well, when if you stay connected here, when you keep playing, it just kind of switches back. If on the Mac, you want to take it back, and let's say you're watching something and you take one ear out, it automatically pauses. You put the ear back in, just continues playing, just like that. So ear out, stops, ear back in.